Beverage processing customers face unique challenges in their cleaning operations and must adhere to strict regulations and cleaning protocols. Any contaminants that make their way into the process could potentially alter the flavor, stability, and safety of the beverage. It's also essential to remove dirt, biofilm, and other residues from processing and packaging equipment to prevent microbial growth and cross-contamination, and to maintain surface asepsis. Once you've identified your customer target, step 1 of the SSA process, it's time to scope the opportunity. Know who to contact, what their different applications might be, and what their top needs are. You'll want to be prepared not only with what solutions you can provide, but also the potential savings Simple Green Solutions can offer. To help discover their top needs, compile a list of questions to ask prior to your on-site walkthrough. Questions such as, what is your current cleaning and sanitation process? What are your biggest cleaning challenges? And what industry standards and regulations do you need to comply with? You'll also want to familiarize yourself with the appropriate Simple Green products, as knowing the strengths of those products will help you determine which products to use with each application and how they can meet the top needs and solve the pain points of the facility. The 4 main Simple Green products we recommend for the beverage processing industry are Crystal Industrial Cleaner and Degreaser, Lime Calcium Surface Residue Remover, D-Pro 5, and Foaming Coil Cleaner. Crystal is going to be your #1 go-to product for the beverage processing industry, as it's NSF registered for use in all beverage processing areas, so it can help customers meet industry-specific cleaning regulations. To restore metal surfaces, which may have become dull over time due to high alkaline cleaners leaving behind residues and acid stains, use Lime Calcium Surface Residue Remover. D-Pro 5 can be used to disinfect the production line as well as inhibit mold growth. And Foaming Coil Cleaner is perfect for maintaining HVAC systems and refrigeration units needed to keep beverages cold. All Simple Green cleaning solutions support both clean in place and clean out of place protocols. As you complete your on-site walkthrough, step 3 of the SSA process, keep your eye out for surfaces that will make for a good test demonstration site. High traffic, high use, visibly stained areas are ideal because the before and after images are more dramatic, and you can easily see how Simple Green cuts through grime and restores clarity and shine. Some things to watch for include stained beverage processing floors and dirty conveyor belts. Besides just being unsightly, floors stained with lubrication used in beverage processing can pose a slip and fall risk to workers. Dirty conveyor belts can degrade over time and become damaged, stopping the production line. Crystal works great on both surfaces. You can also look for reusable PETE or glass bottles that appear old or cloudy, or beverage processes that include applying a shiner to bottles to restore clarity. This could be a sign that caustic chemical use has caused the bottles to degrade over time. Crystal can solve for this as well, as it can eliminate the need to use a shiner altogether, speeding up the production process and saving money. A few other items to watch for are metal surfaces that appear dull even after cleaning, such as stainless steel tanks, conveyor belts, or equipment. This could be the result of high alkaline cleaners leaving behind residues and acid stains over time. Here you can use Lime Calcium Rust and Residue Remover to remove the stains, and then Crystal for everyday cleaning. Until you restore the metal with Lime Calcium Rust and Residue Remover, it will never appear truly clean and shiny. While it's hard to demonstrate the effectiveness of a disinfectant, germs being too small to see with the naked eye, you can ask the plant or operations manager if they've experienced any issues with mold and mildew or maintaining plant asepsis. If yes, this is a great time to suggest D-Pro 5, which kills germs and inhibits mold growth. You might suggest the customer uses the product on a trial basis and compares any microbial test results from before, when they did not achieve asepsis, to after. When used as directed, D-Pro 5 has been shown to improve these results with other beverage customers. And lastly, don't forget the HVAC system and any refrigeration units the customer uses to keep beverages cold. Both need to be cleaned regularly to avoid clogs that reduce performance, potentially allowing beverages to spoil. Foaming Coil Cleaner is perfect for this, and it's NSF registered for use in beverage processing spaces to meet regulatory standards. Once you've completed the walkthrough, demonstrated the Simple Green solutions, and taken all your notes and pictures, you can move on to converting the customer by preparing our post-SSA evaluation report. As always, let your beverage processing roadmap provided in your toolkit be your guide, and be sure to bring along all the necessary products, documentation, PPE, and your SSA form.